fight. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know.
What's up, Spotlighters? It's your girl Mahogany back with another YouTube video, and this is a different type of video because I don't ever do videos like this, but it's a cook with my mom basically, because my mom's cooking. I'm not cooking today, but we're doing a seafoodless boil, so a seafood boil without the seafood. So we have all our little stuff right here, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick overview of what we got going on so far, but I'm excited. It's gonna be so good. Just stay tuned. We have some eggs boiling for the boil. We have our pots. We're getting everything ready. We're gonna fry the chicken without bread on it. So we're just gonna fry the chicken and everything else. I know earlier I said that this video is a seafoodless boil, and we have shrimp and mussels right here. But the reason we have those are on the side. Those are for just me and my mom, because my grandma is allergic to shellfish. Shellfish, why is it so hard to say? Because my grandma is allergic to shellfish. So we have all of that. That's going to the side, so that's not even really a part of the main course. Okay. Okay, y'all, we have our chicken cooking now, and we let our chicken marinate overnight. And it's lemon pepper chicken. We use lemon pepper seasoning. I think you guys already seen it. It's over here. What are you gonna do? Peeling the eggs, rinsing them in cold water, and peeling the egg. Make it easier to peel. We're gonna retry that in. Cookie, y'all. Look at this egg. What is this? She had this in the bowl. I had to take it out to show y'all, but I guess I'll leave it. But that don't look right. You gotta cut the corn for the boil. If you can cut the corn, you know, you can do it. Or you can buy the already cut corn. We just want to get the fresh corn. Or you can crack it. That works too. Okay, we got the corn cut up. She got it done. It took a little while, but you know, she got it eventually. Now she's gonna cut up the onion. We have our eggs, our seafood for the seafoodless boil on the side, fried, dyed, laid to the side. It's over there. Gotta cut up your onions. We finished chopping up the onions, corn, egg. Chicken cooking. It's looking real nice. Getting crispy. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay. Now you have to cut up your sausage, because you gotta have the sausage in your boil. Everything else we need. I'm giving y'all everything you need. Take a good look. You got everything you need. You need about a teaspoon of every seasoning. About a teaspoon of every seasoning we got over here. I showed y'all in the beginning. I'll show y'all again in a little second. Some boiled eggs, cut up sausage so we can char those. We got the onion ready for the butter and the garlic. And then we're gonna throw our seasoning in and razzle dazzle it up. Okay, now I'm in the living room right now trying to find something on our Fire Stick TV, and I'm gonna need y'all help finding something. Y'all comment down below some good movie recommendations, like some good suspenseful, scary, thriller, any type of really good movie. Comment it down below, and make sure you subscribe, because I need some movie recommendations bad. Okay, we got the Transformers, the new one. We got Sounds of Freedom. They said this is a really good movie.
The Transformers ain't even all that.
I don't know, but this one got a really good rating, an 8.7. That's really good. That's one of the highest I've seen. She-Rose, Spider-Man. Oh my God, the new Mario movie is hilarious. I want to watch the new Insidious. That's a good one. It's 6.4. Some people said that one wasn't even that good, but I ain't watched it yet, so I ain't gonna say nothing. Batch number 2. We're on batch number 2. Is batch number 2 done? Yeah. And y'all, I tried a piece of this chicken That lemon pepper seasoning is so good. Here's the batch of the chicken. This is what it looks like. This is gonna go in the boil with the rest of the stuff that's going with the whole entire seafoodless boil. You make it with chicken and yeah. But I'm about to go show y'all the seasonings that we use so y'all can make it yourselves. I showed the seasonings at the beginning, but I'll show again. We got lemon pepper, some blackened season, some bay leaf, chili powder, paprika, cilantro, Old Bay. Ooh, I don't think we use this one, but it's the same thing as this. And some onion powder, some seasoning salt, some garlic powder, and we use one of these packets. So that's all the seasonings we use. So y'all can take notes, go to the store. This is all at Walmart. It's real cheap. Oh, and a thing of bouillon. And a thing of bouillon. And the lemons and all that goes inside the boil. Okay, y'all, I'm about to separate the mussels and take off the tops like these pieces off of this to separate them so we can eat them. So y'all gonna see a little time lapse of that because you gotta season your shrimp, you gotta season everything. Oh, them look good. That Old Bay gonna get it right every time. The onion powder. Oh, okay. So it was looking quite bare. Y'all, we about to start our little sauce in the boil and all of that. So we're putting in corn. We're gonna put in the potatoes. Now we're about to season the water. You gotta season. You gotta season everything. That's the key point. Season everything. Y'all, tell me why we're watching Transformers on a bad copy. You can see it says but at least we can still watch it. So we watching Transformers. How much is that? Tablespoon? Yep. Oh, tablespoon and some of paprika. Oh, 2.5. 2. What's that? Chili powder. Lemon pepper. Chili powder. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. Onion powder. The bright sauce. Season all. Season salt. And the blackened season. We're about to put the butter in the pot for our shrimp and mussels. And then we have this pot right here for our sausage that we're gonna add a little char to.
Onions and butter in there.
Onions and butter for our...
We'll put some garlic in there.
Minced garlic. Oh my God, y'all. When I tell y'all this kitchen smells so good. I smell so much, just all the seasonings. Oh, look at the baby potatoes. That's too cute. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, here's what we're working with now. from here, add a stick of butter. 3 sticks of butter.
That's what we're gonna do for now.
We're gonna add 3 sticks of butter to this after we got done cooking our sausage. We're gonna add broth to the shrimp and mussels pot. Chicken broth. It's its own little separate mini boil. Add your onions to your butter so it can saute down. Add your garlic. We got our lemon. Squeezing the lemon juice inside the corn and potatoes. We add in the onion soup mix in there. We add a bouillon, some lemon,
And the cilantro.
and the cilantro,
And the eggs.
and the eggs. Okay, we have to add the seasonings to our sauce. Oh, it smells so good. It just smells so good. This is where y'all gotta make y'all a seafoodless boil.
Let that simmer for a while.
We about to throw the shrimp in our little mini boil. And after you get done with this, you add your chicken broth. So we're gonna add chicken broth to this right here.
It's simmering.
Add your broth when it starts to simmer. To loosen it up so it ain't so salty. And got you some more. You get some more flavor. Beloved sauce soup. This is what the shrimp look like. They smell so good. Adding lemon juice. Let that simmer on down. She added some cilantro. Ooh, the cilantro ate down. Y'all, we getting to the big finale. We got everything in the pot. All the stuff.
Nigga.
And y'all, here is the finished product of the seafoodless boil. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow my socials. My Instagram is _MahoganyMcDougall. My TikTok is MahoganyMcDougall. Remember, always shine bright in the sun. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
In my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give